Hi everyone, it's Sandy here. Welcome again to my channel. Guess what? UPS just brought me a huge order, a huge package from Country Craft Creations. So I can't wait to share. This was my purchase of extra Olo markers and a die. I'll go through that last. And I got two mystery boxes. I got the small and the large. Ordered the large first, then added on a small. So I will share that with you in just a few minutes. Okay, let's take a look at the small one first. It's all packaged up. I have been spending the day, I took the day, well, I'm still answering the office phones, but I don't have to work in the office because I was all caught up. And Fridays are typically slower, so I have been in the craft room, uh, not doing any design team stuff because I wanted to play with, get caught up on the Tamra's December daily for 2023. So that's what I've been doing. So let me move some of my stuff out of the way so I can open this up and show you what we've got in the small one. So it looks definitely like Christmas, so that's exciting. Echo Park, Santa Claus Lane. I don't think I ordered any of that. So let's see. So I've got this, which I will put away for next year unless I decide to do something, you know, recent. So look how they packaged it. Tanya and her helpers did such a great job on this. They put things together. So here we have a package of the Santa Claus Lane. So it looks like I have the chipboard, lots of paper, the fancy brads, and the frames and tags. So little frames and tags. This is Echo Park's Santa Claus Lane. I'm not going to go through each individual uh, sheet of paper because I'm going to keep it all together, but I also got the sticker sheet. So this was in a small warehouse mystery box, in case you're wondering. Then I got this pack of the Simple Pages page kit by Simple Stories, the magical season. So this is a lot of fun. This is to create two double page scrapbook layouts. So I got the whole kit for that. So, you know, I may do layouts with it. I may do something like a folio, you know, I don't know. Can't tell you. Simple Stories, Hearth and Holiday. I'm pretty sure I didn't get that. So I have obviously the paper. I got the chipboard. Looks like chipboard stickers. Some ephemera elements. And so there's the paper. That is so cute. So yeah, there should be plenty in there for an album or folio. And then, oh, here's another pack. Oh, I love me some frames. I absolutely love Simple Stories frames. So yeah, that's a lot of fun. This is also Hearth and Holiday. More papers, the chipboard frames, and the floral bits. Oh, this is exciting. This is a fun little package. I'm so glad I added on the small box, mystery box. And then this one is more of the Hearth and Holiday. And I got the fancy brads, um, bits and pieces. So floral bits and pieces and more of the papers. So I don't want to take up a lot of time by opening up all the paper. I'm just excited. I'm excited. I love how Tanya and her helpers go to the extra step of putting things together that you can use. So it's not like one page of this and, you know, something else and the stickers don't match. It's a really, really great buy, a great value. So this was the small. So next I'll show you the big one. Okay, sorry about the glare. I have to have my light on. So this is the large mystery warehouse box. And it looks like I got a bunch of Graphic 45. Now, in the past, I was a Graphic 45 brand ambassador for two seasons, 2 sessions, 2 years. And I know I had this one in the past, but it is a beautiful collection. So I'm excited to get some more. I believe I have some in my stash, so I will just add this to it so you never can have too much. This is all the Cafe Parisian. So I got the 8x8 and all the different pages of it in that collection. So it kind of opened up here so I can kind of flip through and see it. So that's the pattern paper. So it looks like here on the back, I probably got the whole 12 by 12 pack of the Cafe Parisian and the 8 by 8. So that's awesome. And I got more Christmas. So what is this one? This one is Letters to Santa, and it is by Cartabella. So this is a different one. I don't think I've had this one either. So this is the element stickers, and you flip it over, and you can see that I got the papers for the collection. I got chipboard phrases. I got frames and tags, the little pack, and I got the die cut cardstock pieces. So there is another great Christmas assortment there. And then this, I love Halloween, and this is a Charmed collection by Graphic 45. I'm not sure if I have any more of this one, so I'm excited to get this because this will make a really great project. So this looks like single sheets of that collection, Charmed. So that's a lot of fun. I could open that up, kind of flip through it a little bit. What is this under here? Yeah, I got Midnight Tale. So the thing about Graphic 45, if you look at the color palette, the different collections, some of the patterns I can mix together. So that's no big deal that I didn't get the whole collection of this. So I'm just going to peek in it really quick, see what some of the papers are. So that's the cut apart. Some fun images. This would be great for cards. If it's not enough portfolio, it'll be a lot of fun for cards. I'm just kind of peeking in there to see what I got there. So I got that. And this one is, like I said, the Midnight Tales by Graphic 45. I did get the journaling ephemera cards and some paper. So there's enough paper there to really make something out of this collection. So I do love this collection. I've had it. I've made projects with it before, but I don't know if I have any of it left. So that's great. That's really great. Then this one is a card making kit by Simple Stories, and it looks like a fall one. Happy Greetings is what it's called. I love their card kits. I don't always make cards with them. Sometimes I make little albums. So I have a tutorial on my channel where I made two different, I think a Christmas one and a little farm one, mini albums out of the card kits. If you're not into cards and you get one of these in your kit, check out my channel for my Simple Stories little albums made out of card kits. It's a lot of fun. So that's a great one to get. And let's see what this is. Oh, that's a big package. Oh, yay, Primus. Some goodies from Prima, and this is I think it's the one that I'm using right now, possibly. I did not buy the kit for Tamara's December Daily, and I decided I wanted to make it, and I'm making it with the collection that I bought called Candy Cane Lane. So here I have extra papers, which is much, much needed because this is a really big album, and I had ordered some other paper lines that I thought would work, and this acetate sheet, I did not get this, I don't think, when I ordered it initially, so I'm excited to have this. This is awesome. And I got the chipboard stickers, and so I am actually right now working with this paper collection, and I got the mold. Fun. I haven't used any molds yet, and I do have in my stash these little stockings, so I think they're just so cute. So this is a great, I'm not even going to repackage that one because I'm going to put it with the ones I've got right now, and I can use it right now. And then I also got from Graphic 45 Catch of the Day. Catch of the Day. I don't think I ever made anything with Catch of the Day. So this is fun. This will make a fun project. I've got the chipboard and several pieces of the paper. So definitely I'll be could make a folio out of this. Now what I haven't done in the past, normally when I design something, I'm always so busy with so many different things, I just design it and make the one. But I'm thinking I would like to make one and then do the tutorial of the paper I'm want to feature. So I would have one to show you what it looks like out of a different paper, and then the one that I make on camera and do with the paper from the design team project. I think some of the other designers do that. I'll see. I can't promise that I will always do that, but that's in my mind with some of these extra papers of what I can do. So that is the large warehouse mystery box. Great value. You've got to admit that this is great. So if you missed out this time and you see chatter going on at Scrapbookers or Country Craft Creations on Facebook that it's coming, or that it's scheduled for a certain day, set your alarm so that you can grab a couple of these too. I think they sold out in a little over an hour this time. So there was some time for you to do it. It was early on a Sunday morning, and I realize a lot of people like to sleep in on Sundays, but I set my alarm and made sure that I was up in plenty of time. It's kind of hard if you're on the West Coast because it was pretty early, but it is such a great value. It is definitely worth it. So I highly recommend that you consider next time, if you didn't get one this time, um, signing up and ordering a mystery warehouse box from Country Craft Creations. Okay, so that's my boxes, and then on to my other bit of an order. I'm not going to go over it a lot because I'm going to be doing a separate video tomorrow or Sunday. I'm going to do the first in a series of coloring with Olo markers. These are extras that I ordered that I will be adding to the ones that I got for my birthday. And so that I could get free shipping for what I ordered, I threw in this planner tag that had die, not tag, but die, where you can cut out these pockets like this. And of course it has these beautiful leaves. So I decided I wanted one of those. So I got that from Country Craft Creations. I'm going to show you real quick, and of course I'll be going over this again in the coloring video, my first video. This is what they call a half marker. And so I ordered the colors I wanted, and from Country Craft Creations, they come with, and it's a little hard when they're shorter like this, they come with brush tips, and that's all that I use when I'm coloring. If you're one of those who wants the chisel tip for calligraphy, you're going to have to order, if you're ordering from Country Craft Creations, order them separately. But the cool thing about this is I'm going to be sitting down, and let me take this cardboard out. I can use that later. I'm going to be sitting down and putting mine together because you can put the colors you want to use together. So say I want this BV47 and this BV44, and this is probably the two that I'm going to put together. So this is a half marker, this is a half marker. I've got two colors that I can use for blending. I will take a ring, I will put these guys together, and I have a full pen with brush tip on each end. This is so cool. Olos you can customize to what you want to color with and put the colors together that you like to go together. So I'm going to be doing that, putting mine together and going over that tomorrow or Sunday in a video with you. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, click the bell so you'll be notified of every time I put up a video on YouTube. And check out countrycraftcreations.com. It's too late now for you guys to order a warehouse mystery box, but there's certainly lots of other wonderful products in the store, current things, the Olo markers, the dies, lots of papers, the artisan cardstock, some new colored cardstock is going to be coming out, so you want to check on that. I also invite you to join, if you're on Facebook, Scrapbookers or Country Craft Creations. All you have to do is go ask to join. When you do, you must, it's very important, you must answer all 3 questions so that you will be approved to join the group, because we don't want any bots or spammers or anything like that in there. And unless you answer the questions so that we can kind of know you're a real person, we're not going to approve it. So don't just ignore that. And if someone has invited you to the group, it's important that you also answer questions before you join. So please do that. And we'd love to have you. That way you see the videos or of Tamara's, when new products are coming out, when new mystery boxes announced, sales announced, and different tutorials by all the designers. So come check us out, Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations on Facebook. Okay, everybody, that's it for today. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.